Dear students, I am SK Sinha. Your book has changed. So now the new book have given the first worksheet. You will solve this one, the reading skill, and in reading skill the poem section. The first poem is the rooks. Here the meaning of rooks is crow. You will read it with me. Hope this one is visible for you. The rooks are buildings on the trees. They build there every spring. Caw, caw is all they say, for none of them can swing. Here the meaning of this stanza, the rooks are building on the trees. Here the building, it means the rooks are building a nest on the trees. They build there every spring. They only build it in the spring seasons. Caw, caw is all they say. All the crow, their voice is in caw, caw. For none of them can sing, but no one can sing. The ability in them to not to sing a song like a crow, like a coil. So both are black, but there is a world of difference between their voice. Here the next stanza, they are up before the break of day and up till late at night. They are up before the break of day and up till late at night. Here it means from beginning of the day till night, which you say in the dawn and dusk. For they must labor busily as long as it is light. For they must labor. Here for they must labor busily. Here busily it means busy, adverb of manner, busily, which type of a work? So busily, adverb of manner says the work in which way, in which manner you anybody can do. So for they must labor busily as long as it is light. Till light they works continuously. Third stanza, and many a crook stick they bring. Here the crooked stick, it means curved stick, you may say, not a straight. And many a crooked sticks they bring it for making the nest. And many a slender twig. Here twig, it means that it's a very little sticks from the tree, from the branches. And many a tuft of moss. Here tuft of moss, it means you may say collections of a moss, like just you may say a dry grass. Moss, it means the things you have seen. This is near the pond or where the mossy area, which it means it's a dump area where a greenish things, very little things where it makes us sleepy. So tuft of moss until their nests are round and big. Till their nests are round and big. They have collected all the things to make their nest till their nest makes round and which is very cozy for them. Here tuft of moss is the collections of tuft of moss. It makes, they have to make the cozy bed for their newborn baby. Caw, caw, oh what a noise they make in rainy weather. Good children always speak by turns, but rooks all talk together. Here the meaning, this message for you. Caw, caw, oh what a noise. This is not a lovely sound. It is just a irritating sound when crow just sit on our roof, and when they make a noise, cow cow. It's just a irritating noise. But whenever the quail, one who sits on the branches of a mango tree or anywhere, the voice of quail is very lovely, charming. So we are very chanted to listen the voice of quail. Here they make in a rainy weather. Good children always speak by turns. Here, good children always speak by turns. It means they have to speak one by one. They are just awaiting when my turn is come, I will speak. But rooks all talk together. Here the rooks all together, which you have seen in a peepal tree or a banyan tree, where so many crows are living, and in the evening time or just in the morning time, all are making a noise. So it's not a the birds chirping is nice, but the cow cow sound is just a irritating sound. Here the message left for you: good children always speak by turns, but rooks all talk together. This is a very nice poem, and you will see this poem is taken from the beginners classes, just in class 4th or 5th. It's a very simple, and all words have given in a very simple way. And Jane Euphemia Brown has written this poem. So this poem is very easy for you, and in my next video I will solve all the questions, but before me you have to do it all it. As I have given the PDF of this related chapter, and question along with the question is here, multiple choice questions and question answers both have given. So I will give it in a PDF file in your parents portal, and their descriptions, each and everything is written, so no problem. But you have to try it your own level, because it's a very easy poem for you. Okay, hope you all will do so, and you will do it this homework in separate copy. Not all homeworks accumulate all the homeworks in a rough copy. No, it's not a good work. So each and every student will listen it carefully. You have to do your homework in separate copy. Thank you.